Welcome to the show where 2025 is shaping up as that big moment for real estate. It's like uh, the year when property becomes your ultimate moneymaker.
Yeah, right. This year's outlook really sounds exciting. Tell me, what are the key factors turning the market around?
Well, first off, we've got interest rates finally stabilizing and even headed down. The Fed has signaled a pivot, inflation's cooling,
Hmm.
and rate cuts are expected. That means mortgages get cheaper, affordability up, and overall, investors can scale more effectively.
So, in other words, the money side of things is getting more favorable?
Exactly. And then there's the housing supply, which is still surprisingly tight. Years of underbuilding have left major markets like Austin, Phoenix, and Tampa with low
Yeah,
inventory. That keeps prices from plummeting and ensures rents keep climbing.
got it. And what about the rent boom? Is that still a major driver?
Oh, absolutely. The rent surge in the early 2020s isn't over. Remote work, migration to smaller cities. It's like people are looking for lifestyle upgrades and often starting with rentals before buying.
Right.
So investors are really set up to benefit from both rising rents and property value appreciation.
Interesting. And there's a tech twist to all this, isn't there?
Yes, indeed. Tech is basically transforming real estate investing. Now, anyone with a smartphone and a bit of cash can jump in. Crowdfunding, fractional ownership apps, AI tools for deal analysis. They're all lowering the
Hmm.
barrier to entry. It's like the game's been reinvented.
That sounds almost too good. Almost like it's democratizing wealth building.
Right, and then we've got the generational factor. Millennials are in their prime buying years, and Gen Z is right there behind them. They're not thinking about the traditional white picket fence. They see real estate as a money move.
Yeah,
Their tech savvy approach even includes co buying and house hacking, which fuels this whole property boom.
but doesn't that, raise some concerns about potential market saturation or rental bubbles in certain cities?
That's a fair point.
Yes.
Yet, when you factor in the tight supply and rising demand, especially in markets where new construction can't keep up, the fundamentals remain solid. It's like the market's natural balance keeps things in check.
So the argument points to a resilient market structure backing the tech and demographic trends.
Exactly. The bottom line is that real estate in 2025 isn't just a relic of the past. It's a forward thinking, tech empowered investment set to outperform volatile stocks and crypto. Investors can enjoy stable returns, rental income, and the power of property as a tangible asset. It really sounds like an
Right.
opportune moment to dive in.
Well, it looks like 2025 might just be your best money making year yet in real estate. Thanks for breaking that down. It's a pretty convincing case for getting into the market now.
Absolutely, the signs are all there. If you're serious about building long term wealth, now's the time to be in it. Cheers to making smart money moves in 2025.